Good day. My name is Andrea C. Domingo, the second reporter of Group 4. My topic is the continuation of Miss Pamela's report, which covers complex formula in Excel. So let's first read the introduction. A simple formula is a mathematical expression with one operator, such as 7 plus 9. A complex formula has more than one mathematical operator, such as 5 plus 2 times 8. When there is more than one operation in a formula, the order of operation tells your spreadsheet which operation to calculate first. In order to use complex formula, you will need to understand the order of operation. The order of operation. Or program calculate formulas based on the following order of operation. First, operation enclosed in parentheses. Second, exponential calculation, for example, 3 by the power of 2. Third, multiplication and division, which never compares. And lastly, addition and subtraction. So, familiar naman na tayo kung ano to, which is the pentas. There's also one mnemonic we can use to remember it. That is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So, using the order of operation, here is the first example, which is 10 plus, naka-parenthesis yung 6 minus 3, divide 2 by the power of 2, multiply by 4 minus 1. While this formula may look really complicated, we can use the order of operations step by step to find the right answer. So, first, we will start by calculating anything inside the parentheses. In this case, there's only one thing we need to calculate, which is 6 minus 3, and the answer for that is 3. For the next step, we will calculate the one with the exponent, which is 2 with the power of second, and the answer is 4. Next is, we will solve any multiplication and division, working from left to right, because in this problem, the division operation comes first. Before the multiplication, it is calculated first as 3 divided by 4, which we will get the answer of 0.75. Then, now we will calculate our remaining multiplication operation, which is 0.75 times 4, which is the answer is 3. Then, we will calculate any addition or subtraction. Again, working from left to right, addition comes first, which is 10 plus 3. The answer for that is 13. And finally, we have one remaining subtraction operation, which is 13 minus 1, and we will get the final answer of 12. This is the exact same result you will get if you enter the formula into the spreadsheet. Now, let's look at a couple of examples that show how the order of operation can affect the result. So, in this example, we can see is 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 1. So, gagamitin natin yung PEMDAS. So, 3 multiplied by 4, ang magiging sagot is 12. Then, mas nauna yung addition kaysa sa subtraction. So, i-add natin 2 plus 12 is equal to 14 minus 1. So, ang magiging sagot natin is 13. Tingnan natin kung tama. Yan. That's right daw. Using parentheses within a formula can be very important because of the order of operation, it can completely change an answer. Let's try the same problem from above, but this time we'll add parentheses. So, yun nga, in-add natin yung parentheses, which is 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 1. So, sa PEMDAS, una natin calculatin, yung naka-parentheses. So, 4 minus 1, magiging sagot natin is 3. Then, next is the multiplication. 3 times 3, magiging 9. Then, lastly, we will add 2, which is the answer will be 11. So, nakita natin yung difference, di ba? In this first question, walang naka-parentheses, so yung naging answer natin is 13. And dito naman, may naka-parentheses which in-indicate niya kung ano talaga yung dapat na maunang answer, which is, ang naging sagot natin is 11. So, mainam talaga na malaman natin yung kung paano nasa-solve yung nasa spreadsheet para alam natin kung ano dapat yung mga ilalagay natin. Creating complex formula. In the example below, we will demonstrate a complex formula using the order of operation. Here, we want to calculate the cost of sales tax or catering invoice. To do this, we will write our formula as D2 plus D3. So, naka-parenthesis yun para ma-indicate na yun dapat yung maunang solvent multiply by 0.075 in cell in D4. So, sa D4, dahil yun yung gusto natin, mailagay yung total answer, yung tax na answer. So, di ba makita natin dito yung menu item, price, quantity, total. So, ayan, sa tax doon natin ilalagay sa D4. This formula will add the prices of our items together, then multiply that value by 7.5% tax rate, which is written as 0.075 to calculate the cost of sales tax. The spreadsheet then follows the order of operation and first add the values inside the parentheses, which is 44.85 plus 39.90 will get the answer of 84.75. Then it multiplies that value by the tax rate, which is 0.075, and the final result will be 6.36. It is especially important to enter complex formula with correct order operation, otherwise the spreadsheet will not calculate the result accurately. So, dito sa example natin, for example, tinanggal yung parenthesis na yon. So, magiging written siya as D2 plus D3 multiplied by 0.75. So, kung wala yung parenthesis na yan, ang unang calculated ni Excel is D3 multiplied 0.075, which is yung answer is magiging mali na, di ba? So, kailangan may lagyan ng parenthesis para makuha talaga yung gustong makuha. Then, to create complex formula using the order operation, in our example below, we will use cell reference along with numerical values to create complex formula that will calculate the total cost for catering invoice. The formula will calculate the cost for each menu item and add those values together. The first step, select cell that will contain the formula. In our example, we will select cell C4. So, ito yung C4 sa may tapat ng total. Enter your formula. In our example, we'll type equal B2 multiplied by C2 plus B3 multiplied by C3. So, lagi po nating tatandaan na kapag magra-write tayo ng formula, lagi siya nag-uumpisa sa equal. Then, this formula will follow the order operation. First, performing multiplication. 2.29 multiplied by 20 is equal to 45.80. And 3.49 multiplied by 35, we will get 122.15. Then it would add those values together to calculate the total of 167.95. You can add parentheses to any equation to make it easier to read. While it won't change the result of the formula in this example, we could enclose the multiplication operation within the parentheses to clarify that they will be calculated before the addition. So, ganun nga, lalagyan mo ng parentheses. Yung dalawang nauna, which is B2 multiplied by C2, tapos B3 multiplied by C3. So, Paglalagay ng parentheses, ini-indicate mo na sila yung gusto mong unahing calculated. Pero in this example naman, kahit wala na siyang parentheses, kasi di ba, nauuna naman yung multiplication kaysa sa addition. Your spreadsheet will not always tell you if your formula contains an error. So it's up to you to check all your formulas. So yun na. So lagi nating tatandaan yung PEMDAS. Kaya pag mag-write tayo ng formula natin sa Excel, para hindi nagkakamali or tama yung nakukuha mong sagot, kailangan mong alam to. So, yun lang. Thank you for listening and next reported na po. Thank you.